Hello and welcome to Final IT. Today we're going to be looking into setting up VMware Workstation on our computer. You can check our previous video on seeing if your CPU supports virtualization to ensure that you'll be able to install VMware Workstation on your desktop. So first of all, we're going to want to go to the website for VMware. There's going to be this link will be in the description there for you, so you'll be able to easily access this. And today we're going to be installing on Windows, so we'll want to go over to this Windows Download Now option and click that. We'll see the download gives us an option. It's a good idea to go ahead and save it for easier install. Alright, now that that's finished installed, finished downloading, let's go ahead and run it. We'll say yes to the end user license agreement. Oh. Okay, let's go ahead and minimize the browser and wait for it to pop up. Now I want to accept the end user license agreement. We will want to select the enhanced keyboard driver, which will cause it to require a reboot. We decide whether or not, or you'll want to leave product updates on startup for the most part, and then you decide whether or not you want to join the customer experience improvement program. You can leave the shortcut settings as default, and we'll begin this installation. We can go ahead and select finish now that the install is done, and then it's going to prompt us to restart, which we do want to go ahead and do. So let's let the system restart now. Alright, after you're restarted and you're back to your desktop, you can go ahead and open up VMware Workstation, which should now be on your desktop. It's going to prompt for license information. If you have a license for it, you can go ahead and enter that, or you can choose to try it free for 30 days. You'll want to agree to the user account control pop-up that shows. There you have it, access to VMware Workstation. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you guys think.